Hello friends, welcome to our channel.
Today I'm gonna show you how to earn more money from StarClick's website. Before start the video, I will request you, please subscribe us and press the bell icon to get all notifications about our latest videos. So first of all, go to this website. I showed you the basic information of this website in my previous video. You can watch it. If we use a free account for the work, we are receiving a maximum of 10 or 11 ads per day only. So I'm gonna upgrade my free membership to paid membership. I will click here to upgrade. You can see the plans here. If you scroll down, you can see the details of the memberships, so I'm gonna buy this gold membership. I will click on upgrade now. You can see the payment methods here. I will use my PayPal for the transaction. Select PayPal and click on the upgrade now. I have to log into my PayPal account. I will select my PayPal balance and click on the continue. Then click on the pay now. My payment has been done. This is the details about my payment. Then click here. You can see here, my account has been upgraded to the gold membership and I have received 140 ads. It means I can earn $1.4 watching these ads. This is not a fixed ad rate. This will be changed. So I'm gonna watch these ads. You have to spend only 15 minutes on this. After a few minutes, I watched all the ads. You can see here the total earning balance here. The next day, I have received 96 ads. I can earn 96 cents for today's ads. After watching ads, you can see here my total earning balance. If you click on the account report and go to the PPC report, you can see the earning history. Now I will show you the HTML code. If you have a website, you can put this HTML code on your website. Then you can earn more money using this HTML code. So I think now you have a better idea of this website. So create your account and start to earn money. Also, you can join our Facebook page and Telegram group. I will put all the details about the payment proof on our Facebook page and Telegram group. Thank you so much for watching. And if you face any kind of problem, then please let me know. I will try my best to help you. I will put all the details in the description, so check on the description. If you are thinking this video will be helpful for you, please hit the like button. So don't forget to subscribe us and tell us your opinion in the comment section below. It will be very useful for me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day.